Hello. In this video I will briefly discuss the main considerations you have to take into account when using Well-Sorted. As I mentioned in the overview video, Well-Sorted is often used to help organise discussions and meetings. In turn, this of course means that you have to finish the Well-Sorted process before the meeting. We usually recommend therefore that you start your study 2 to 4 weeks before the date of your meeting. Usually there are 2 stages to complete before your meeting date. You need to give participants or attendees a week or 2 to submit the items, then you need to give them a similar amount of time to perform the actual sort itself. Perhaps the most important thing you need to think about earlier than you might expect, however, is the question you want to ask. This question is vital as it will dictate not only what type of answers you get, but also the response rate. If, for example, you ask a very general question, you will get a wider range of topics discussed in the answers. This might be what you want, but if you are looking for a more focused sort, we recommend giving your participants a more focused question. For example, rather than asking for research ideas, you could ask what technical solutions would solve a specific societal problem over the next 5 years with a 6-person team. Also, bear in mind, you might have to discuss this question with your co-organisers. An example question which worked well for us in the past was, what is going to be the main societal, economic or cultural challenge associated with the digital economy space over the next 5 to 10 years? In the end, it is up to you to decide what you want out of your sort. But either way, you'll need to consider what question you want answered, earlier than you might expect. In the next video, we'll get into the nitty-gritty of using Well-Sorted, where I'll explain how to create a study.